Hey, what's up people, hope you all are having a great day. In this video I'll be testing Nvidia's game ready drivers and studio ready drivers to clarify or to opt the best performing driver. This video is divided into two parts. The first part is stereo part where we compare the GRD or game ready driver and SRD studio ready driver release notes. The second part is where we benchmark some graphical intensive softwares and games. I hope you will have a great time while watching the video. So like or dislike the video and comment your thoughts in the comment section so YouTube can recommend my videos to the other people. So let's get started. First, release note contains change logs, release logs or software changes updates. You can see the difference on the screen. The both studio and game ready driver contains Open Computing Language or OpenCL software version 3.0 and OpenGL version 4.6, Vulkan version 1.3, DirectX 11 and 12. Both contain same versions of HD audio driver, Nvidia Physics System software, GeForce Experience, CUDA and DCH Nvidia control panel. Game ready driver removed or discontinued the video color settings for Microsoft applications, but studio ready driver still supports it. Image sharpening feature is only available in studio ready drivers. Image sharpening feature contains where the scaling is applied and where scaling is not applied. For example, scaling is only applied in full screen mode, but it will not work in windowed mode. In short, studio ready driver has more optimization towards graphical workflow applications, and game optimization is same as game ready driver. As per the game ready drivers, it has more optimization towards the games, and studio optimization is less focused. As per the documentation, studio ready driver has the same feature as game ready drivers, but it has some additional features. Now let's move to the practical observation. Here I have benchmarked several games and some graphical intensive apps like exporting videos, Blender open data benchmarks, etc. I tested the games in 1080p maximum possible graphical settings, and only VSync and motion blur was turned off. You can see the graphical settings are used for the particular games with ray tracing and DLSS. So now moving to the conclusion. Well, after seeing the benchmarks, we can consider that the studio-ready drivers perform exceptionally well in games compared to the game-ready drivers. I have been using studio-ready drivers for months. In my opinion, studio-ready driver give you stable FPS in terms of 0.1% and 1% loss. And if you are a creator or a streamer, it may give you smooth streaming experience. Well, hope you have learned something new today. Like or dislike the video, comment your thoughts in the comment section so YouTube algorithm can recommend my videos to the other people. And peace.